What's up everybody, this is Ron Gillespie from G2 Hair Studio, Gillespie Hair Design, and Grove Barbers. Well, we're here at Grove Barbers today. You guys are going to watch a hair cutting take place, and you're also going to watch a men's facial take place. But today, it's going to be on me. That's right, on me. I'm not doing the hair cutting service, I'm not doing the facial. I'm the one getting the haircut. I'm the one getting the facial. So stay tuned, let's get to it. Well guys, this is Ron Gillespie. I'm here at Grove Barbers, and we are doing another haircut and men's hair care service here at Grove Barbers. And I'm here with a couple of really cool people that actually work side by side within the businesses. Jamie Robertson, who is a skincare professional. You can follow her at Jamie Robertson at Jewel Skincare, and that's her Facebook page. And we also are here with Skylar, who is a barber here, and he also shows in educational roles here at Grove Barbers. And he's going to be actually cutting my hair today, so we're pretty excited about that. He actually has been cutting my hair for quite a while, and he is fantastic. He's like the go-to guy for services within the barbershop with challenging hair like myself. But it's going to be a little bit different today. I'm not just getting my hair cut only, I'm actually getting my facial work done as well. I'm getting a little bit of a peel. And so, how's it going, guys?
Good. Glad to be here.
Yeah, definitely. I'm glad you guys are here. So Skylar, you're going to be cutting my hair today, and you're actually one of the barbers here at Grove Barbers, right?
Yeah, I've been working here for a little under 2 years now, and I'm really enjoying it so far. I love getting to see all the facial work, and I love beards.
Yeah, we cut side by side, actually, you know, in the barbershop at least 4 or 5 days a week. And we've actually, I am an educator outside the barbershop, and while we're inside of the barbershop, we're educators too, because we have the American Barbering Academy here at Grove Barbers, and Scott and I have done like a number of classes together, which has been pretty cool.
Yeah, that's been a lot of fun so far.
Yeah, so, yeah, outside of, you know, basically like doing men's hair grooming, you know, are guys coming in just for basic hair cutting services now, or?
I'm getting a lot of guys that are coming in for regular haircuts, but I'm also getting a lot more men that are coming in looking for like the actual facial care, and they're getting like beard oils, they're trying to get the flakes cleaned out, they're trying to get their beards shaped up and actually like prepped up, and they're starting to get their acne under control.
Cool. Okay. Yeah, that's you know, I know for me that's a biggie, because you know I'm working with clients like you are, and I notice like a lot of my clients that they'll do like clipper cuts on and fades and stuff, and I get like to the beard part, and I'm working my way around, and I'm at the beard part, and then I started like looking at you know, the eyebrows, and you know, and I'm like, well, this guy could use like maybe a wax job on the eyebrows or something. And now, you know, we actually at Grove Barbers are like diving into keeping up the skin. And so Jamie, you know, she actually is a professional in skincare, and she actually is in her own business. Pretty fabulous, and she's also an independent contractor working with Grove Barbers as well as G2 Hair Studio, which is our sister.
Sure, it's all just peak freshness right now. We're gonna get you all tapered out down to the lineup, and then we're gonna get you all brought back down and get that point back out for you.
Yeah, and I noticed like you and I usually don't have a lot of time, so when I sit in your chair, it's you know, around the hairline, you know, you do have a tendency to what's your go-to, like when you start off with that haircut, you know?
When I'm starting up a haircut just with a hairline, I'm really just making sure that I get everything kind of pulled out to where once you see the finished product, you're not going to have any peaks and valleys that are going dipped into it. It's going to be all really straight, really clean. You don't have to worry about whether or not it's on, and then it's actually going to fade in with itself, because it should be able to do that on its own naturally.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, making sure that it is, you know, balanced, definitely.
No, exactly. And you want to make sure that you get the right definition as you're bringing up the hairline. You want to make sure that it blends all up into the faux hawk, so you definitely don't want to let that get a big ding in there.
And the sponge, you know, when you start off with the sponge having it picked out, do you find like, you know, the results are better, like when you're done with the sponge and aesthetically with the hair?
I think so. I mean, aesthetically, I like the way that the sponge looks more than just when you have the hair picked out. Just because having it just picked out, you get a lot of good shape to it, but it definitely doesn't have much definition. It doesn't have a lot of like real variance or any kind of like aesthetic to it. Whereas once you start sponging it out, it'll let you start getting the actual kind of cone shape into it and start getting the natural peaks in there. And that's kind of what I'm more looking for. I think that it gives it that little extra touch of style.
Extra touch of style, definitely. Yeah. So you hear that, guys? If you're out here watching this video and you're trying to figure out, you know, what do I do with this African American hair? Or, you know, how do I, you know, envision what it should look like, you know? There you go. Really, it's just a matter of like starting from one point, and hopefully when you're all done, you're gonna get, you know, better by doing those little tricks and actually fine tune. So, really excited. Thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate you guys coming out and making me look fantastic. Don't forget to follow Jamie Robinson at Jewel Skincare over in historic downtown Grants Pass, and Skyler Calderon. He's a barber at large at Road Barbers. Okay, guys, we're out.
And you did it right from the start.